Baked oatmeal cups with banana and blueberry. Make 6 servings and takes 35 minutes. A healthy, portable breakfast you can prep ahead. 1 cup of rolled oats. 2 ripe bananas. 1 large egg. 1 cup of milk. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Optional 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 6-cup muffin tin or line with paper liners. Mash 2 ripe bananas in a large bowl until smooth with a fork. Add 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mashed banana and whisk until combined. Stir in 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt until the oats are fully coated and the batter thickens. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries and optional 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. Spoon the batter evenly into 6 prepared muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full. Top each cup with 2 or 3 thin banana slices and a few extra blueberries. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops are golden and a toothpick inserted near the center comes out mostly clean. Remove the muffin tin from the oven and let the cups cool in the tin for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve warm or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and rewarm for 30 seconds to 1 minute as needed. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Optional, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts on top before serving for extra crunch. Enjoy your baked oatmeal cups and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy recipes. That's it. These baked oatmeal cups make 6 servings and take 35 minutes. Enjoy and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy recipes.